Guys, it's Christina, and today we are gonna play with some slime. And plus, I'm giving a slime store, and yeah. So let's get started. Okay, let's just get started. So I got some. Oh wait, also I forgot that. Like and comment and subscribe, and the link will be in the description below. Yeah, so by the way, this is my first time, so don't make fun of me. Okay, so yeah, so oh my gosh, feels so good. I'll also do challenges. Yeah. But I have to go because soon, so that's why I'm gonna hurry up and make this video. Let's see if I can do this wrong.
We need to team up with Batman.
Batman works alone.
Is that your son?
No, that's just weird.
It's weird if it's not your son.
Barbara, you that girl.
Have you called me Batgirl? Can I call you Batboy?
No.
The new Batman movie, available 3 weeks before Blu-ray on Amazon Video. Rated PG.
Wait, does this look like this? Oh no, it's fading away. Listen to that sound.
When danger looms, Marvel heroes unite. Create epic adventures of Marvel fighting.
Yeah, so sorry, just my phone. Zoom not. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh, that. Well, I gotta go now because I need to watch my brother.
Spend less, get more. That's Hotmails.
So see you later. Please comment and subscribe because I'm poor. I got this from this teacher. I'm just joking. I'm not poor. I have apartment. Don't say anything about what I just said. Don't tell my mom. Please. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm sorry for you guys.